Today we're bringing you cool life-saving gadgets that are worth having. And as always, find the links to all the products in the description below. Before we get started, smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Awesome! Let's dive right in. Opening our list today is the LIDOC Portable CPR Kit. This guy is not your typical life-saving gadget, as it does not only help you perform life-saving procedures but also equips you with the necessary techniques. First, this thing has a straightforward design to help anyone with no prior skills learn CPR procedures using an app-guided program. What's more, it lets you practice procedures like chest compressions along with the metronome beat to ensure you're ready for such emergency situations. Additionally, the app gives you real-time feedback on pressure depth, speed, and posture, which are the most important factors in a CPR procedure. Most importantly, it's portable and lightweight, so you can carry this thing with you to camping or other outdoor ventures. Lastly, it uses colored LED lights to notify you of your CPR performance, just to be sure you're doing the right thing. Awesome! Next is the SkySaver Survival Backpack. This innovative gadget allows you to quickly escape your apartment building in life-threatening situations where you're unable to use the normal exitway. Say the apartment building has caught fire, or maybe there's a terror scare or attack, this guy will come to your rescue. With this gadget, you don't have to wait for first responders who seem to take ages in these situations. It's simple to use this thing. No need for prior training where skill is needed. Simply buckle up just like your normal backpack, clip it onto the installed anchor point as shown, and exit through the window or balcony. I know, don't worry, you won't hit the ground hard. The SkySaver will automatically and slowly descend at a relatively slow speed until touchdown. Once on the ground, quickly unbuckle and seek refuge in a safe area. And there's more. A family backpack model is available and comes with an attachable front harness for the baby. This thing can even withstand a maximum weight of 298 pounds, so it's also suitable for those of us on the bulky side. Last but not least, this guy is adjustable, so don't worry about the size. And don't forget to choose the cable length that fits your situation. Going camping, hiking, or just taking a walk in the woods? This gadget will no doubt come in handy. BASU Alarm Pro is a handheld alarm that will act as an effective deterrent to animals that you might bump into in your adventures in the woods. It's equipped with a 120 dB micro speaker, loud enough to scare away marauding animals lurking in the dark around your camp. Also, you can use this thing in urban settings to set an alarm in case you ever find yourself in a life-threatening situation. This will attract the attention of passers-by as well as scare away animals or even bad guys. This beauty is also portable and small, measuring only 2.79 by 1.22 by 0.51 inches. Therefore, it can easily fit in your pockets or backpack. Just throw this thing in your backpack next time you venture out. You never know. Great! Let's get this out of the way. Motorcycle accidents occur every day, and their outcome is almost certainly disastrous. From broken limbs, injury to vital internal organs, and even death. Name it. Here is an innovative gadget that will protect your vital organs in case you're involved in an accident. AI1 Airbag Vest is an AI-powered protective vest that is keen on revolutionizing the protective gear space. Using artificial intelligence, this guy offers cutting-edge crash sensitivity through continuous algorithm updates and deploys its airbag system in just 60 milliseconds before an accident event occurs. The airbag acts as a cushion on impact, avoiding injury to your chest, spine, and other vital internal organs. It's easy to set up and has an app accompanying it as well. If you're an avid biker or use motorcycles on a regular basis, you definitely need this thing by your side. Apart from potentially saving your life, this guy will make you look badass on that bike. Don't you think? Lastly, it comes in different sizes from small to large, so just choose what perfectly fits your body size. Stay safe. Incidents of suffocation as a result of ingesting foreign objects such as toy blocks, rubber bands, coins, or even food, especially in children, occur more frequently than we can imagine, and their outcome can be fatal. The Dechoker, as the name suggests, is a life-saving smart gadget that is effective in choking-related situations. This guy will effortlessly remove fluid, solid, and other foreign material from the airway which might be causing obstruction and difficulty in breathing. It features a respiratory mask that helps dislodge foreign objects, a tongue depressor that prevents the mouth cavity from collapsing, and finally a backflow release valve that stops debris from re-entering. This thing is easy to use and doesn't require any specialized first aid training as it comes with a manual guide. This makes it a perfect and reliable anti-choking first aid kit at home and school. It's also small and lightweight, weighing only 0.8 ounces, so it can easily fit in a backpack or even a glove compartment. Most importantly, it comes in 3 different modules, which include toddlers between 12 months to 3 years, children between 3 to 12 years, and adults. Awesome! Climate change is fast unfolding before our eyes, with floods and hurricanes now becoming a common phenomenon. In most cases, these events occur on short notice, so we should always be prepared on an individual level. Creature Craft is a versatile raft-cum-boat that, according to its manufacturer, is suitable for all bodies of water including rivers and oceans. This thing can even move up and down fast-running waters without losing balance, making it very suitable for flood rescue missions in harsh weather. What sets Creature Craft apart from the competition is that it can still float on its side or when upside down, making it operable even after it rolls over. This guy is also the perfect toy for avid river runners looking for a raft to add style and flexibility to their adventures. Last but not least, the manufacturer also offers training sessions and can customize specific features according to your taste. How cool! Try this guy out. Next on the list is Sharkbanz Shark Deterrent Wristband. This gadget will protect you against sharks and also give you peace of mind when you're swimming in shark-infested waters such as at the sea. It's easy to use, just buckle it to your ankle or wrist like your normal wristband and you're ready to go. Easy. It works by releasing strong electromagnetic waves that then deter sharks from getting close to you. It's adjustable and can stretch from 5 to 14 inches, can function to a depth of up to 200 meters below the water surface, and is made of durable material. This beauty is perfect for deep-sea divers, water rescuers, aquatic researchers, and those of us who love to explore the aquatic ecosystem. Try it out. Cool. According to the CDC, a whopping 659,000 heart-related deaths occur each year in the United States alone. This is no doubt one of the leading causes of death today. Here's a smart gadget that will monitor your heart condition to help you or your loved ones respond appropriately. iBeat Heart Monitoring Smartwatch is a wearable gadget that monitors your heart rate and blood flow and detects any potential life-threatening events before they occur. This device features an AI-powered app that automatically signals the company's response team in case of a heart attack or other medical emergency. The 24-hour response team then notifies 911 and your close contacts immediately, and you're able to receive much-needed aid. Additionally, it features a built-in GPS system that ensures that first responders are able to track your exact location in case you're immobilized. Similarly, you can press the emergency button anytime you need help and the response mechanism is immediately activated. This list won't be complete without the mention of the Stylus Stinger car emergency tool. Car accidents occur every day, and due to the impact of collisions, internal systems may be rendered inoperable. Breaking windows to rescue victims is usually the first line of action, which can prove difficult in most cases. Stylus Stinger car emergency tool will help you easily break tempered glass windows, allowing you to escape or even save a life trapped in the car. And it's simple to use. Simply press the button and this thing breaks the glass without breaking a sweat. This gadget can also multifunction. On the upper part, there's a sharp secured blade that you can use to cut fabric like seatbelts. There's also an embedded charging system that you can use to charge your phone, which can come in handy in emergency situations. Lastly, this guy is portable, so just throw him in the glove compartment or in your backpack. You never know. You might save a life. Awesome.